Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that thumbs up at the bottom before you head out. Today I wanted to quickly go through my Sephora Play box for April, and this month's box has a drawstring bag that says "Make it snappy." This month's box includes Plump Up the Volume full-on plumping lip polish from Buxom. Let's see what color it is. This looks like it's like a shimmery color. This is the size. Hopefully you guys could see that. I'm gonna see. I've never tried these before. Has like a slight hint of vanilla. It looks like it's just like a topper though. Let's see, I'm gonna put some on. Yeah, it's like a gloss, like a topper. It could probably be worn by itself. It does have like a slight sensation to it, you know, like more peppermint mint like plumping sensation. Oh, it says refreshing tingling sensation. Yeah, I have no idea what makes it tingling. I'm assuming it's something of that sort. Moving on. Next we have Makeup Forever's Ultra HD Perfector Blurring Skin Tint with Sunscreen. Ooh, with SPF 25. I think I'll throw this into my travel bag because we're heading out to California today. Awesome, and it has a little bit of tint. I'm gonna take this with me and try it out. Let's see what color or how it looks. Kind of has like a fresh scent to it. It's blending out pretty nicely. This hand has it, this hand doesn't. So it's definitely light coverage, feels hydrating. So the BB cream from last month's box, I do have a review on it. It was the Dr. Jart's BB cream. I think it's what it's called. That'll be up soon, so stay tuned. And I will definitely give this blurring skin tint a try. Next we have Dr. Dennis Gross Fight Wrinkles While You Sleep Wrinkle Recovery Peel. Let's see if it's like a one-time thing. So it looks like it's just one-time use, one treatment type of packaging. Used 2 to 3 times per week in the PM. It looks like it has AHAs, which is alpha hydroxy acid, which is usually derived from fruit, and it kind of uses like the enzymes within the product or within the natural derivatives to really kind of slough off dead skin, kind of brighten the skin. So I'm interested to try this out. I've tried something similar to this from Exuviance. They have something along the same lines, so let's see if let's see if this kind of compares to it. OMG. I just noticed that my lights were like blinking, so I'm sorry if that was a distraction. I did not even notice. Alright, so this time we do have a perfume sample. It's from My Burberry. It's it's called Blush. See how this smells. That's actually a really good scent. I do enjoy it, so I will be using this. It smells really nice. I don't know what the notes are in it though. Just smells, I think the name's appropriate for it, Blush. It's very light, it's very feminine. We also got Kiehl's Powerful Strength Line Reducing Concentrate with Hyaluronic Acid. It also has 12.5% vitamin C. So we'll see how this is. I think it's just like a serum. I don't think it has a smell, but I've been smelling a few things right now. So lastly, I did get a little sample size from Philosophy. It's their lightweight moisturizer. Let me see if I can find the picture. I actually saw that right away and put that in my travel bag. So it's not with me at the moment, but It looks like this one. It's the Moisture on the Move. And I'm really excited to try that one. It's an ultralight face cream packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and natural oils to leave a lasting glow. This also has chia seed, olive oils, vitamin C. It has a lot of like different types of hydrating elements to it that I haven't seen previously in other products, so I'm curious to try that out. So I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to keep Sephora Play anymore. I did Ipsy for a while, and that kind of got a little more redundant as well, and it's kind of looking like that for me for Sephora Play. So I might actually be canceling my subscription for it, and I might actually be moving on to maybe Glossy Box or one of the other type of boxes. So just wanted to hop on and show you guys what was in this month's Sephora Play box. Thank you so much for watching my video today, and we will see you in the next video.